Most people always want to make something cool that will attract a lot of attention. At the same time, they practice of years and can't make any progress. And that's why they can't find work, because the competition is for the best people, honestly. I'm Hafez, and here I have 15 chapters for you to reach the final stage of skills. Skills that you won't have a place in the industry without having and understanding them. I want to explain to you in a very serious and real way. So let's move on. One of the most important factors in the success of art is its concept, which we discussed together at the beginning to achieve the best results and attract attention. After we understand what skills this industry needs the most, we start blocking the character, combining several references and creativity that can create a good balance in the end. This step is very important because it shapes the main forms. Now that we know what the character will finally become, let's get to the hard part of the story: high-poly details. Of course, after watching this course, it will be the easiest things in your life. There is no point in working with all those tools and techniques unless you create something that produces enough value for the industry. And I will tell you how. Most of you would stop here and not know how to create a standard topology that is both animatable and maintains good quality. How many polygons should your character have? Well, I have to say that I'm going to turn your difficult retopology into an enjoyable and purposeful step. You all know how to do UV mapping, but the goal here is to group the materials in such a way that with the optimized number we can maintain the best quality the same everywhere on the character. Which parts are more important and 8. How are you going to bake more than 100 objects without wasting days of your time and making many mistakes in matching low poly and high poly? And there are also many bugs in your bake that will cause the quality of your character to drop and ultimately be unusable. A step that many people consider worthless, but it's very important that the result is clean and correct. Now we are at the stage of the first texture for the character. Naturally, when you take the texture to the Unreal, you will see some changes that are discouraging. I will teach you how to get the result as close to Unreal as possible, so that the texture you export is easily usable in the game engine and of high quality. If you haven't worked with Unreal, I must say that is one of the most important rendering and game development engines that everyone is using right now. So if you can't do character shading in this engine, you're missing out on one of the biggest points needed for hiring. That's why I will explain to you from installation to configuration. Finalizing your texture means you have built the bridge between Substance and Unreal, and you know that now you need to create your texture with the highest quality and realistic detail. I didn't use any ready-made materials in this course, and everything was created from scratch. All the techniques you need to make your texture the best possible are taught. So don't worry about buying materials from the market. You will be able to create them in the end. Light makes a character come alive, and honestly, no matter how much detail and form you create, it won't be very well received by others without good lighting. So I will tell you from 0 to 100 the lighting you need for your character in Unreal. Now you need to prove that what you've created can come with different moods and emotions. You surely don't want to render your character like a robot, so it's very important how you do this so that it feels real. All the pieces of the puzzle are together and we just have to press the shot button. Without a good render, no one would care about your hard work. Unfortunately, the market doesn't work like that. You have to show that what you've created can be used in production and still look real. So you can't miss this step. Perhaps less than 10% of artists think about how to present their work and the importance of attractive thumbnails, as well as the correct layouts of the renderings. This is why they don't get good views, supports, and as a result, they get fewer clients. Now, all this aside, I will tell you how to make a resume and what sentences to use so that when you send it to a company or a person, it will attract at first glance and give you a message. Let's play with the soul a little. This is the only course that, in addition to design, teaches you ways to enter the job market. All the mindset and ways to create passive income that you need to know, because you can easily create several other sources of income, which of course no one but me talks about much. So learn to love your work and make good money. And finally, a small gift from me to you. We will also do the rendering in Marmoset toolbag, and we will also examine different lighting scenarios to see how they will affect the character's story. If you can give the character a sense and a story, it means you have reached the top of the mountain and can create strong effects. Honestly, this course is all I have learned over the years working with different clients, and now I know what this industry needs. Of course, you will understand later. Always remember this. The best investment is not gold, not real estate, not crypto. In fact, there are skills that you add to yourself to create more money and value. So don't miss this opportunity. Take care.